Okay, so I'm going to show you how to make some cashew cream. And what you're going to use this cashew cream for is your macaroni and cheese, your Rasta Pasta, your cream sauce, Alfredo sauce, your broccoli and cheese soup, anything that has a good creamy thing where you used to use heavy cream and milk and eggs and things like that. Now you're going to use your cashew cream. So what I have is some raw cashews. I got these from the regular supermarket in the snack aisle, but they need to say raw. So remember that all of these ingredients that we're using, about 95% of them you are going to find at your regular supermarket, because that's the whole point of this. We want you to be able to cook great vegan food, but at your supermarket. So this is a full can of the raw cashews that I found, and I soaked them. Again, covered it with water. That's going to be my theme, right? These things just need to cover them with water. I'm going to use the same water. I actually rinsed this water. I soaked it overnight and then I rinsed the water. So this is nice clean water. Don't use the water that you use all night. Use a nice clean water. And see, I'm just covering it. I think I'm going to pour a little bit out. I want to make sure. I want to give myself the option of adding in more water if I need it. Okay. So I'm going to take this, and in my high-speed blender, and if you don't have a high-speed blender, it's just going to take you more time in your regular blender. If you have a high-speed blender, like say a Blendtec or a Vitamix, it's going to take you less time. But if you have a blender that is not high-speed, just plan on it taking a little bit more time. Okay. So I'm going to put it on the sauce button. Okay, so our cream is ready. I'm going to show it to you. And you know, there are instances where you can just buy cashew cream as well. But there it is. It's nice and thick, and it's going to provide us that nice cream that we need for cheesy things, for creamy things, Alfredo, all the things like that, okay? So, that is your cashew cream.